Hello everyone, I'm the Dino Gamer and welcome back to another slow motion car crash video. So this is our car of choice and we'll be crashing into this van right over here. But of course, in slow motion. Then we will play it at different angles. For example, from the van's perspective. So hope you enjoy. This car should get to around 190 kilometers an hour, but the runway isn't that long, so I guess we'll see. Should still be a pretty entertaining car crash though. So we're approaching 150, should get slightly higher, and there's the van. So let's line up the crash. And pause. Now, let's switch to slow motion. And right before we hit 100 times slow motion. So, it's very possible we could have survived because it doesn't look like the windscreen is crushed all the way into the driver's seat. There's a bit of room there. From the RV's perspective, the driver would get one gigantic shake, and the passengers too, but it does look survivable. Now let's speed up slightly, 8 times slower. Even the back seats would have been fine though. Yeah, now let's look from another perspective. So this is the outside view of the crash, but of course in real time. Now let's look from the car's perspective of the crash. Of course, yet again in real time. Well, got a good view of the driver. Now let's look at the van's perspective of the crash in real time. So here we are, and that is not a sight you want to see. A car coming at you at 160 kilometers an hour. I'm pretty good with the driver though. But yeah, that will be for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know if you what you want to see down below, and bye for now.